Rahula, please bring me to a basin of water. I want to wash my feet. He want him feet in the basin of water. The Buddha said to Rahula, will you drink this water? No, it's dirty. No, it's dirty. Rahula replied. The Buddha, asked Rahula, when the water dirty, no one can eat. It's the same. It's the same for those who tell lies. No one can for them anymore. Tear of shame